19-year-old won twice to avoid Denham town before he met his demise. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 19-year-old man who was shot on Tuesday and succumbed to his injuries in a reported confrontation with police in Wilton Gardens area of Denham Town, Kingston, was warned twice to stay away from the area. Senior Superintendent of Police Michael Phillips, commanding officer for the Kingston Western Police Division in which the incident occurred, disclosed this information on Tuesday that the man, Nicholas Denton, otherwise called Fireball, of Racecourse Lane, Kingston 14, had been facing gun-related charges and was warned on 2 occasions by the court to avoid them in town. However, to our surprise, he returned to the area where he had a confrontation with police which led to his demise and the recovery of a firearm and ammunition, according to SSP Phillips. The commanding officer explained that Denton was a known gang member who was in 2022 charged with shooting with intent by the Denham Town CIB. He later appeared before the gun court where he was granted bail, and a court based on the request from the investigators urged him not to be seen in the Denham Town area. SSP Phillips said that earlier this year, the young man was found in Denham Town in clear breach of his bail condition, where he was readmitted to bail and again warned not to be seen in Denham Town. He was fatally shot in the ear on Tuesday, and the police said that a 9mm Browning pistol with 3 9mm rounds of ammunition was seized during the incident. The Inspectorate and Professional Standard Oversight Bureau and the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) are probing the incident. Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.